This is a holly tree that was transplanted into our yard and is held as a storage tree for sale. And as you see, a lot of yellowing on this tree and needles dropping. This is normal. It's not an atypical situation for a tree that's transplanted. The tree is being well watered and cared for. The reason the tree does this is it's had a stress in transplanting. Whenever you transplant a tree has stress. In the springtime, on transplanting hollies, they will defoliate some of the needles on the tree to conserve energy for new growth that it's putting out and for flowers and bud shoots, which you see here all over the tree. This is typical of what a holly will do. But if you look at the bud shoots here, you see the bud shoots are forming and the tree will put out new foliage. It can be quite scary because you buy a tree and you expect the tree to be green, evergreen. But all evergreens lose needles and foliage at some point or time in its life cycle. For example, the arborvitae in the fall undergoes what's called fall needle loss, where about a third of its foliage just drops off the tree and dies. So an evergreen is not evergreen. They're green during the winter, but they will lose some foliage at some point. And as you can see, all these trees have it to some extent or another. It's not a bad tree, it's just typical of what a holly will do on transplanting. If you have any more questions about it, please give me a call at 215-651-8329. If it happened to me and I bought the trees, I would worry too. But it is normal. As you can see, it can be from tree to tree. It will vary. But the thing you look at is the new growth coming on. Is the tree have new growth? And these do. You see the new growth all up in here. That's the important part. You can see here bud shoots already pushing new growth. And that's the key. New growth coming on. So again, give me a call if you have any more concerns. 215-651-8329. Bill Hurst, Highland Hill Farm. These are our skip laurels. We have two sizes. We have a larger size that's about 32 inches in a 7-gallon pot, and a smaller size in a 5-gallon pot. The smaller sizes are 35 and the larger sizes are 55 for the calendar year 2010. We also have bush-type laurels, the autoleucans, and we sell a lot of other types of trees, plants, and shrubs here at Highland Hill Farm. And out there you can see some of our arborvitaes and cypresses. We're growing on quite a few acres here in Doylestown and Fountainville, and we also have quite a large amount of acreage up in Milan, PA, where we grow a lot more nursery stock. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for laurels. We're here at Highland Hill Farm. Thank you. These are some small copper beech seedlings that we have available here at Highland Hill Farm, and as you can see, they do vary in color. You see some darker reds, lighter reds, and inside, where it's very shady, it's green. A lot of this has to do with the genetics of the tree, plus the amount of sunlight the trees are receiving. The interiors here will be a little bit greener, the exteriors a little bit redder, and there are some that are deeper in color than others, and that has to do with the fact that these are grown from seed. We also have a variety of other trees, plants, and shrubs for you to look at here at Highland Hill Farm. And this is an interesting selection. This is a river birch. We grow them in pots with multiple stems. We put 3 seedlings together to give you a multiple stem plant. These are some of our blueberry plants ready to go. These are Japanese maples. Down below, more river birch, Lombardy poplars, and these little tiny plants down in here are dawn redwoods. Plus we have some larger hollies. These are Nellie Stevens hollies, and some larger forsythia, and way down by where the sprinklers are going, that's fruit trees. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. We have thousands of trees, plants, and shrubs for you here at Highland Hill Farm. This is our Chamaecyparis nucatensis green arrow. We have one in our yard. It's about 12 foot tall to the top. It's a pillar-shaped conifer. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. We can dig it out. Over on the side here you can see some viburnums in bloom, as well as a large cryptomeria. So just give us a call, 215-651-8329. That's a Chamaecyparis nucatensis green arrow. Thank you. This is a block of 3-foot Leland cypresses that we ship across the East Coast. We also can install them. These are a fast-growing screening tree. You can give us a call at 215-651-8329 for a quote on delivery and installation, or just delivery. They're fast-growing. They grow upwards to 3 feet a year. You will probably want to stake them. We do not stake them for you, but we will deliver plant, and if you get 20 or more, we usually put in a free drip water line system to help you maintain them. So again, give us a call, 215-651-8329.